Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a cuboid and the sides are given 4, 6 and 8. Find the length of FH. So I'm going to just cut this diagram out, put at the side, and let's zoom in. Okay, so the very first thing that you all need to take note is that, well, this is a cuboid. So actually, right, if I were to highlight, draw this line already, then after which, you all need to see that this is in fact a what triangle? Yes, it is in fact a right angle triangle. And if I were to draw in 2D, do a quick sketch of H, E, and F. If I view this cuboid from the top, then it will look like this. EH is the same as AD 4, EF is 8. And so, what do you think we should apply then? Yes, Pythagoras theorem. FH square is equals to 4 square plus 8 square, which is equals to 80. So I would be able to get FH, which is the square root of 80. And in this case, 8.9443 to about 5SF followed by 3SF answer. Moving on to part B, where they want to find the angle AFH, then I'm going to cut this out first. Then at this point, right, I am going to just highlight to you that we already have the F and H, but now I would need you all to see another triangle. Since we are talking about AFH, I am going to add another line connecting A and F. To highlight it, and then you can see actually that I hope you can see that there's another right angle triangle in the 3D space. Okay, and we are going to sketch this right angle triangle out so that it's neater and easier for us to see. And the height is given as 6. We have found this previously from part A, square root 80. How do I then find this angle AFH? When this is actually a right angle triangle. Yes! I'm going to apply Torcaso now. And given this is an opposite side, adjacent side, O and A, I'm going to apply my tangent ratio. Opposite is 6 over adjacent, square root 80. And from here, I will then be able to get my angle fairly easily, tangent inverse of this, to give me a value of 33.854 to about 5 significant figure. Final answer 33.9 degrees, 1 decimal place. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.